My teaching practices are guided by the principle, teach the students first and then accordingly teach the subject. A unique course at IITGN is a course called Writing, which is a compulsory course for all PG students of the institute. So heterogeneity of the student body is the biggest challenge of this course. In the first full online semester during the pandemic, that is August 2020, I was the lead faculty of this course, and 3 other colleagues and I took the tutorials. Teaching this course online initially created a sense of apprehension because it felt that it would become even more challenging. My main objective was to find unity in diversity and also make possible the transference of the skills and the knowledge that the students acquired in this course to their domain-specific writing as well as their professional writing as a whole. So I focused on aspects of effective writing and genre that every student would need to be acquainted with, irrespective of their specialization. Also, I focused on active learning. Instead of teaching students aspects of writing like tone, style, descriptive analytical writing, importance of audience and purpose through definitions and examples, I made them write formal and informal emails on the same subject, present a concept from their field to a specialist and a non-specialist audience, write an abstract for an interdisciplinary conference, etc. So that the students became acquainted with the principles of writing and the effective aspects of writing by writing themselves. And also, they engaged in the kind of writing that was not merely limited to the writing course, but would be applicable to their careers as a whole. In the classroom setting, for the tutorials, we usually have one tutorial group together. It is possible to effectively engage with students working at different paces. But in the online mode, to enable maximum engagement and minimum distraction, we divided the tutorial groups into subgroups. Say, for example, when we brainstormed and drafted, we had 8 students in 1 hour of the tutorial. Then again, the students worked on the drafts outside of their allocated tutorial hour, and when we peer reviewed the drafts, we even broke the groups further. So perhaps we had 5 students in an hour when we were peer reviewing their drafts. As a result, every student received individual attention, and also each student's time in the tutorial hours were optimally utilized. The students responded very positively to the course, and I learned that in online teaching, even small things like voice modulation, enthusiasm of the instructor, and a bit of humor can make a lot of change. For example, when I wanted students to respond and they kept quiet, I would say repeatedly, "I am not happy with the job of a radio jockey. I need voices. Help me, please." And then laughter and responses would pour in. I'm teaching this course online again this semester with a new faculty team. And so far, we have received very positive vibes from the students. Of course, all of this would not have been possible without the excellent colleagues that I had on my teams both the times. So, a sincere thank you to Professor Sudipta Basu, Professor Jo Young Kim, Professor Dotana Banerjee from last time, and Professor Iti Gupta, Professor Leslie Laser, Professor Umashankar Singh from this year's team. And also a special thank you to all the guest speakers who came to my class and all the students who engaged effectively with the class. Happy writing!